Welcome to my channel, and today I will go to the very small market in Boljoon, somewhere in Cebu. I will try to find some interesting fishes there, and I think I will be successful. So let's have a look what we've got here. First of all, we've got very beautiful butterfly fish. This is Filipino butterfly fish. Usually this is aquarium fish, but well, and also it's a lizard fish. To be more precise, it's Brazil lizard fish, and it's cost only 180 peso, or just a bit more than $3 US. Not very bad. And now let's go further to see what they've got as well. By the way, this lizard fish is a very close relative of the Indian bombill fish, which I've shown you before. Very tasty fish. So if you see this lizard fish, don't shy to buy it, it will be very tasty. And what's next? And next we've got very scary black fish, which is snack mackerel. This snack mackerel cost only 100 peso per kilo, or $2 per kilo, which is not very expensive, but the quality of this fish is very low. It's very bony and it's not much meat there, so it's no point to buy it. This is a very small food market and fish market in Boljoon, Cebu. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you, bye.